Hi everyone, I'll walk in Okutama, Tokyo. Okutama is a beautiful natural retreat located in the western part of Tokyo. It offers a serene and scenic environment, making it an ideal destination for tourists looking to escape the bustling city life and immerse themselves in nature. Okutama is situated in the Chichibu Tamakai National Park, which spans across Tokyo, Saitama, Yamanashi, and Nagano prefectures. Despite being part of Tokyo, Okutama is known for its lush forests, rivers, and mountains, providing a tranquil getaway. Okutama provides numerous outdoor activities for adventure enthusiasts. Hiking is one of the main attractions, with trails catering to different skill levels. Okutama offers various attractions for sightseeing. Okutama Station itself has a unique architectural design and is considered an attraction. Visitors can relax and rejuvenate in the hot springs or onsen found in Okutama. To get to Okutama from central Tokyo, you can take a train from Shinjuku Station to Okutama Station. The journey takes approximately 150 minutes. I'll go to river. There are many stairs in Okutama. You may be tired so much. I saw many tourists camped in this river. I'll go to hotel by bus. My hotel is named Nenenbo. It takes about 30 minutes from Okutama Station. I took off the bus. I'll walk to the hotel for 5 minutes. I drank a local sake. This is a grilled mountain trout with salt. It was so delicious without strong smell for river fish. In the next morning, I had this breakfast. In this day, I went to stalactite grottos. There is a famous one in Okutama. This is called Nippara Shanyudo. To reach Nippara Limestone Cave, you can take a bus from Okutama Station. Stalactite grottos are natural formations found in caves where stalactites, stalagmites, and other mineral formations grow over time. While I couldn't find specific information about stalactite grottos in Okutama, there are several cave systems and natural attractions in the area that may feature similar formations and offer interesting experiences for tourists. One notable destination in Okutama is the Nippara limestone cave Nippara Shanyudo. Located in the Nippara area, this limestone cave is known for its impressive stalactites and stalagmites. It offers guided tours where visitors can explore the underground chambers and witness the unique geological formations. Some caves may have low lighting, uneven terrain, or narrow passages, so wearing comfortable clothing and sturdy footwear is recommended. Here's the most beautiful spot in Nippara Shanyudo. I finished the tour in the cave. You can finish walking into the cave for 40 minutes. I came to the store for a rest. These are wasabi and citron gelatos. After the rest, I ate soba by handmade for lunch. I need to mix it because sesame and soy sauce is under the noodle. Here's Hikawa International Trout Fishing Spot in front of the Soba restaurant. I arrived Vertere, the beer cafe, in the afternoon.